Hey tú, tú me puedes ayudar. Sí, yo te puedo ayudar. Maybe don't talk to office publishers like they are your body. Today, we're fixing one of the most awkward mistakes Spanish learners make. Using tú when you should be using usted. Because trust me, one wrong pronoun can make you sound rude, too casual, or even disrespectful. Let's master informal versus formal Spanish so you always sound polite and confident. ¿Estás listo? Empecemos. What is the difference? In Spanish, you have two ways to say you. Tú, informal, casual. Usted, formal, respectful. This doesn't exist in English. You just say you for everyone. But in Spanish, using the broad one can change totally the vibe. Use tú when you talk to friends, family, people your age, children, and pets. For example, ¿tú quieres café? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Tienes hambre? It's warm, casual, and friendly. Use usted when you talk to strangers, elderly people, someone in authority like police, doctors, teachers, and in professional or formal settings. For example, ¿Usted quiere café? ¿Cómo está? ¿Tiene hambre? It shows respect and politeness. The main difference is in verb conjugations. For tú form, tú hablas, tú vienes, tú eres. And for usted form, usted habla, usted viene, usted es. Note that usted always use the third person singular verb form. Many learners say, ¿tú quiere café? Wrong verb ending. Or, ¿usted estás bien? Wrong form again. If you use two verb forms. If you use usted, use él, ella verb forms. Let's compare them. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo está? ¿Dónde vives? ¿Dónde vive? ¿Hablas español? ¿Habla español? Spanish-speaking countries have different norms. In countries like Argentina, vos is used instead of tú. In Spain, tú is more common. In Colombia, usted is used even among friends. In Mexico, the use is more similar to a standard Spanish. Now let's practice. I'll say a situation and you decide tú or usted. Talking with your grandma. Usted. Talking with your best friend. Tú. Talking with your boss. Usted. Buen trabajo. Now it's your turn. Comment below a sentence using tú and one using usted. Let's see who gets it right. Mastering tú and usted is about understanding context, showing respect, and reading social cues. It's not just a grammatical choice, but a cultural one. Remember, when in doubt, start formal. Later on, always you can switch. Watch how locals interact. Be flexible and observant. Practice makes perfect. The more you interact with Spanish speakers, the more naturally you'll use these forms. If this helped you avoid a few awkward conversations in Spanish, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more Spanish lessons every week. And remember, tú puedes hablar español con confianza. Or should I say, usted puede hablar español con confianza. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Adiós.